I came over here on September 9th. So that's the time when Ganesh Chaturthi was going on, and we met a lot of people because of that. It's like you have a mini home in US.
Do you think there's enough support for Indian students to succeed here? How did you overcome your financial constraints before coming over here? What industries or fields have you seen the most growth, at least for the Indians in the US? Hi, may I know what your name is and where are you from and what college are you studying over here?
So I am Sneha Shashidharan. I am from Kerala, India, and I am doing my masters in cybersecurity at Drexel University.
Amazing, amazing. How did you fulfill your dream of studying in the US and how has it been for you over here?
Futurance has been the key for this, and they have helped me throughout the process, and they made it a cakewalk for me. From the process of getting enrolled to the university, for the visa process and everything, it has been very smooth for me, and getting into cybersecurity has been always a dream, and it's now I have got this chance through them to get into my passion line.
Amazing, amazing. And did you face any roadblocks? Was your visa approval smooth? How has it been for you during all of those processes?
It could be a luck, but it was actually very smooth for me.
Amazing.
And I didn't even had to stay in line for like a longer period of time. As I had heard from my friends, they stood about 3-4 hours in the queue, but it was very smooth. Within an hour, I was out, and my interview got over like in 30 seconds. Just few questions and then I'm done. Approved, yay! I'm like, I'm going US. It was great. It was great.
So, how did you overcome your financial constraints before coming over here, if you had any?
Yes, I had definitely. Finance is something everybody thinks twice before applying for any education in US, because it's pretty expensive. Everyone knows that. And so yes, again, Futurance over here, they helped me to get a loan from HDFC Credila, and it was really great. They provided me a good help and support, and it was quick.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. Coming to your questions, how would you describe the opportunities available for Indian students in the US?
Oh, there are plenty of opportunities. You just have to look for one and maybe ask right questions, and you just get things. Yeah.
Amazing. And have you found it easier or harder to pursue your career opportunities in the US as an international student?
So far, my experience, they have been very welcoming, and I did not find anybody judging me. So I would really say that even we do not have to judge them, and just be ourselves. You have anything in your mind, just ask questions, get your doubts cleared, and go with the flow. Just explore things, and things will happen your way.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. And how is being a part of the Indian community helped you in the US?
Okay, so that I came over here on September 9th. So that's the time when Ganesh Chaturthi was going on, and we had Ganesh idol at our place, and we met a lot of people because of that. And now this is Navratri, which is going on. Again, we have a group of people planning for Garba, and we have from our college also, we have a club called as Pragati. So all the Indian students are over there. So we meet each other, we plan for, so it's like you have a mini home in US, mini India in fact in US, and it's been great. They are really helpful, and they do let us know what you need to take care of, how can you, they help you settle in better.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. And what industries or fields have you seen the most growth, at least for the Indians in the US?
Since I am from an IT background, I would say IT. But yes, you have opportunities all over. You just
Amazing.
have to look for one.
Okay. And lastly, do you think there's enough support for Indian students to succeed here? If not, what should be changed to make things better?
We need to be more open, and be ready to accept things, and explore. You have to ask the right questions. Only then you'll get the support. As I have
Amazing.
seen over here, and if you keep things to yourself, you're losing on things.
Okay.
So you need to open up and ask questions. You will definitely get help, and it will help you to fulfill and really get your goal.
Amazing. Am I asking the right questions?
Yes.
Thank you.